Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to do a quick video just to illustrate how to properly clean fruits and vegetables. I know that some just rinse some warm water over their vegetables and think that it's clean, and it's just not. What I do is I fill a bowl with some warm water and I use white vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar, but white vinegar has a more cleaning power to it when it comes to vegetables. So what I do is I take maybe 1/4 cup of white vinegar, pour it in maybe a half a gallon of uh, uh, closer to warmer water. And then I put a couple of tablespoons of baking soda into that water. Today I'm going to be cleaning some delicious black grapes and some green grapes. When you see that I put that water in there, it oxidizes. So you're going to see the water bubble up is actually just bringing the roots of the fruit back to life. So even if you clean like a tomato or whatnot, you're going to see the green roots start to actually get greener. It's like it's coming back to life. It's getting oxygenated. Some like to put water, baking soda, and salt. But what I found is that water, baking soda, and salt, the actual fruit or vegetable, it actually it comes to the point where it's getting old faster. If you're using vinegar and baking soda, it oxygenizes the fruits and give the fruits more oxygen. So it kind of brings the fruit back to life from sitting in the box and going to the store and getting on the shelf. And it's going to make that shelf life of that fruit longer. I have done this process, cleaned my fruit, and the first time that I tried it, I noticed that my fruit lasted for like 3-4 weeks. I had grapes in the refrigerator that was still fresh 3 to 4 weeks later. After I basically clean them with the baking soda and the vinegar and the warm water, I rinse it several times. I give it a shake, and you can see that first wash, you can see how the water is brown. And then I just rinse it with cool water, and I do that maybe 4 or 5 times, rinse it with cool water, just to make sure that all of the vinegar, all of the baking soda, all of that is off that fruit. You're going to see that wax, which is not harmful wax. You can actually eat that wax that they put on the fruit, but who wants to do that? You'll see the wax come off of the fruit, and the fruit will have a beautiful shine to it. As you can see, I'm cleaning that fruit again, rinsing it, and then draining the water, and then I'm doing it again and draining the water. I get a container. I actually put a water absorber at the bottom of the container. I use paper towel, a couple of sheets of paper towel, and I put it in an airtight container with a top. That helps seal in that freshness of the fruit. And as you can see, you see that shine. You see the green on it was not that green when I started cleaning. That vine is really green because it's been oxygenated and it was brought back to life. And I just wanted to illustrate that in that particular fruit. These grapes, this video was done a few weeks ago. So these grapes are basically still in my refrigerator, still fresh enough to eat. And I mean, definitely when it comes to fruit, it costs a lot of money. You spend a lot of money to get your fruits and vegetables. And you want to make sure that they last at least long enough for you to actually enjoy them. And that's what this does. So thank you so much for watching the channel. Like, subscribe, share this video to anyone that you know that that can use this tip to just keep their fruits and vegetables fresh. You can pretty much use any fruit or vegetable that's on a vine. Lettuce and stuff, not those things, but any vine type of fruit or vegetable, this is a great way to clean them. Thank you so much again, and have a great day.